There are over 400 different known shark species, ranging in all shapes, sizes, and ferocities. While sharks are a diverse group of sea predators, many of them share the same characteristics. Sharks are social. Most of us think sharks are solitary creatures, but some species have established groups with a structural pecking order based on a variety of factors including age, species, and gender. Typically, the larger sharks and female sharks dominate the social groups. By swimming in groups, sharks are better protected from other predators, which allows them to more efficiently kill prey. They can swim around smaller fish and corral them into a tighter ball, making them easier targets. Some examples of shark species that find themselves in groups are blue sharks, hammerheads, spiny dogfish, and scalloped hammerheads. Sharks even form mutual symbiotic relationships where both animals benefit from the other. Shrimp and small fish will eat dead skin and parasites off the shark. The shark gets clean, and the small fish get food. Sharks are adaptable. Some sharks, like bull sharks, can live in the ocean and the freshwater. These sharks, like other salt and freshwater dwelling fish, use the process of osmoregulation to maintain a constant concentration of water in its body, even when its outside environment would normally cause it to lose or gain water. Basically, the water sharks live in has a certain salinity or concentration of salt. The shark's kidneys can regulate the salinity of the water inside them to match the salinity of their environment to some extent. Bull sharks' kidneys have the ability to remove less salt from their bloodstream and find a happy medium, like salinity, between the salinity they are designed for and the salinity of the freshwater environment. Sharks are strong. Sharks have arguably one of the strongest bite forces of all animals. Bite force is determined by two factors. One, the width of the head. Typically, a wider head means a stronger bite. And two, the sharpness of their teeth. It is estimated that a great white shark around 24 feet long would have a bite with a force of over 9,000 newtons at the front of its jaw and over 18,000 newtons at the back. While sharks may not have the strongest bite force when compared to other animals, the pound-for-pound overall strength of the bite far exceeds others. And the heavier the shark, the stronger the bite. Sharks are agile. Seal Island off the coast of South Africa is home to one of the greatest concentrations of seal populations in the world. Where there are seals, there are sharks. Seals are very small creatures but quick swimmers and extra tasty to the great whites in the area. Because they are so quick, great whites have learned to dive below the seals and rocket themselves to the surface of the ocean, essentially jumping out of the water. Studies have been done on the physics of that act, which they call breach. And if an 11.5-foot great white shark, weighing anywhere from 1,500 pounds to 2,400 pounds, jumped 8 feet out of the water, similar to the one in the picture, and remained in the air for a little over a second, it is estimated that the shark reached speeds up to or greater than 21 miles per hour. Sharks are smart. Thresher sharks have tails sometimes as long as their entire bodies, and they use them to hunt small fish. In hunting, the thresher accelerates towards a ball of fish, brakes sharply by twisting its large pectoral fins, lowers its snout, pitches its whole body forward, and flexes the base of its tail. This slings the tail tip over its head like a trebuchet with an average speed of 30 miles per hour. The fastest shark managed to whip its tail at a speed of about 80 miles per hour. Only about a third of the time does the shark make contact with other fish, but when it does, the threshers can swim back through and pick up the pieces of the few fish its tail just annihilated. So what's the moral of the entire story? Sharks are better than you at a lot of things, so watch out!